Thank you for purchasing the EVK4 from Prophesee. In this video, we will guide you through the initial setup. To begin, let's go over the contents of your purchase. In the box, you will find a USB 3 Type A to C cable with a screw lock, a 5mm spacer ring for C to CS mount, a collapsible tripod, the EVK4 camera itself, and a quick start guide. Now let's move over to our computer where we can download and install MetaVision, our acquisition software and SDK. Depending on your application need, we have various tiers of installations available ranging from the singular acquisition application known as MetaVision Studio to the full source code for various processing algorithms on multiple different operating systems. For the purpose of this video, we will use the MetaVision SDK installation on Windows 10. To download the software, please fill out a form on the screen and you will receive an email with a link to download the SDK. The installation process is very straightforward, but we offer installation steps within our online documentation should you have a concern or need to install other dependencies. Now that the MetaVision SDK is installed, we can connect to the camera and begin grabbing event data. Firstly, screw the C to CS mount adapter ring onto your camera. Next, screw on the lens to your camera. And don't forget to remove the lens cap. Now attach the camera to the tripod. Insert the Type C portion of the cable into the camera and the Type A portion into your computer. Now with the camera connected, we can open up MetaVision Studio and begin grabbing data. Click on the camera-shaped button, select your camera, and you're now acquiring event data. You can adjust the settings for your camera on the right side of your MetaVision Studio screen. Your camera is now ready for initial use and calibration for your application environment. Please view our other videos for deeper tutorials.